Hi, I'm Corn, your friendly energy operator. Let's power up inside your body. Corn can provide steady energy that helps you feel fueled and focused. Its fiber supports digestion, helping things move smoothly through your gut. That fiber can also help you feel full longer, so cravings calm down. Corn contains natural compounds that support healthy vision over time. It also brings nutrients that help muscles work smoothly during busy days. Some vitamins and minerals support your nervous system and steady signals. Corn has antioxidants that help protect your cells from daily stress. And naturally, corn is gluten-free, useful if you need to avoid gluten. Boil corn for a simple, juicy, classic way to enjoy it. Grill it for smoky flavor and a satisfying bite. Popcorn can be a fun snack, especially when you keep it light. Toss kernels into salads for sweetness and crunch. Blend corn into soup for a creamy, comforting bowl. Try cornmeal porridge for a warm, filling base. Watch portion size. Corn is tasty and calories can add up. And go easy on heavy butter or sugar. Lighter toppings keep it healthier. Want more helpful health tips? Like and follow our channel. Bye-bye.